Did you know that fluoride in tap water is a neurotoxin? And did you know that a neurotoxin is a poison that affects the nervous system? Surprisingly, 70% of American cities and towns have added this neurotoxin to the drinking water supply. A lot can be said on the subject of fluoride, including its history and how it came to be in our drinking water. For example, in the late 1930s, the Alcoa company had an unlimited supply of toxic waste, a byproduct of aluminum, also known as fluoride. To dispose of this excessive waste, they made a proposal that water supplies be fluoridated. So the big question remains, how can we remove fluoride from our drinking water? There's an easy way and a hard way. The hard way is to write to your representatives or start a petition to have fluoride removed from your community's water. Many people have taken this route and have succeeded. It can be time-consuming, but in the long run beneficial for many people. The easy way is to remove the fluoride yourself with a fluoride-removing filter. There are a few ways to do this, but we have discovered that the most affordable and healthy option is to use the Berkey system's PF-2 Fluoride Filters. If you're not familiar with Berkey systems, let me tell you about them. They are among the world's most powerful filtration systems. They remove countless toxins while leaving in the healthy minerals in water. You can even filter from raw, untreated sources and end up with delicious pure water. And another great thing about these systems is that they can remove fluoride. The PF-2 fluoride filters attach to most systems and guarantee the removal of this harmful neurotoxin. They're also really affordable and last for a really long time. A set of 2 filters can last for 1,000 gallons. They're also easy to install on your Berkey system. If fluoride is a concern for you, then you should consider Berkey's PF-2 fluoride filters. You and your loved ones won't have to worry about consuming this harmful neurotoxin any longer. To learn more about these fluoride filters or Berkey systems, visit www.berkeycleanwater.com or subscribe below.